Hello again, class. Today we're looking at what happened in Spain in the early 20th century. So page 22 of your social science book. So the start of the 20th century was the continuation of the Restoration, which began with Alfonso XII, became king in 1874. The Restoration ended in 1923 when Primo de Rivera became dictator. In 1931, the Second Republic was established. After Alfonso XII died in 1885, Spain was ruled by his wife, Maria Cristina, until Alfonso XIII turned 16 in 1902. During Alfonso XIII's reign, Spain experienced political and social conflict. The liberals and conservatives continued to take turns in government. However, other parties opposed them: the Republican parties, nationalist parties in Catalonia and País Vasco, and the Socialist Party. Workers demanded better working conditions, and there were many strikes. What's a strike? Let's have a look. There's the end. Strike. When workers stop working as a form of protest. So when workers are not happy, they decide to not work until they get what they want, essentially. Spain was involved in military conflict in its new colonies in Morocco. Because of these problems, there was a military coup in 1923. This means a military coup is when the military takes over the government. With Alfonso XIII's support, General Miguel Primo de Rivera established a dictatorship. The constitution was suspended. Suspended means it was paused, and the king lost most of his powers. Political parties became illegal. Freedom of the press was limited by censorship. At first, many people supported Primo de Rivera's dictatorship. Later on, there was opposition from the army and from Alfonso XIII. Primo de Rivera resigned in 1930. Resigned means to stop. They stopped working. So he stepped away from being the dictator. The Second Republic began in 1931, when the Republicans and Socialists won the municipal elections. The monarchy was abolished. Manuel Azaña became president. There was a new constitution and Spain became a democracy. All men and women could vote. The Republic introduced many other changes too. So here are three more changes. The church lost control of education. Public schools were established. There was more regional autonomy, and there was a statute of autonomy for Catalonia. The Industrial Revolution also changed how society was organized. These reforms divided Spanish society and caused political conflict. Left-wing people genuinely supported the changes. However, right-wing people opposed these changes. This is very important to know. What is left-wing and what is right-wing? You'll hear this very often as you get older and study more politics, is left-wing and right-wing. So let's have a look. Where is the glossary? Yep. So, left-wing, person or political party that favors reform and more equality in society. Okay? So left-wing would be considered more liberal, I believe. And right-wing, conservative. Person or political party that opposes reform and change and favors tradition. Okay? So right-wing is the same as conservative. And that's the end of what happened in Spain in the early 20th century.